Hello everyone, myself Tushar Ramesh Mustabare. Today I would like to talk about the thoughts on internet. The what is the internet? First of all, we have to know about the who is the proposed to the web of the information, which is the internet. The Berners-Lee in 1989, he was the first proposed the idea of internet, idea of the web of the information which is collected in the one word, which is the internet. The internet, which is make a easier to learn online and distance educations, which is also allowing the people to more affordable and effective access to a basic education or a basic in some information such as some also some public safety, also some government services which are making affordable to the people and get the people opportunity to participate some online learning things to get easier, which we don't get some suffer from the lots of things such as we have to going a long distance to learning. These these are making us to easier. The internet gave us access to everything, but it is also gave everything access to us. uh, the iPad, phone, mobile internet, which are all in one, called they are separated devices, but internet. Right now, I'm telling to you the what is the full form of the internet. Internet, it is an interconnected network. The interconnected network is a basically combination of a various computer which is nodes along with the mobiles, computers and various services we are engaged together the completing the our internet. That is the meaning of the internet. Right now I'm telling about it is a good or bad. The internet, it is a it is the most unlimited as source of informations for everyone to who can access it, be it is a communicating with the people sitting at another corner of the world or the addressing a thousands of people together. The internet had made it a possible things to communicate to peoples from the other world, from the other world, end of the other world, to in a second these things are happens, that the internet make us easier. But it is an expensive network, or connected, which is by the, and this is connected by the satellite telephones lines and lots of cable wires and such as that. This by using the access of the internet, we can connect with the full global world. Also we connect the people who across the global, also communicate with that people, we are collaborating with that people, and we can also exchange our ideas to that people also. We having a excess of information to are also we made it a possible to people to access the worst of the amount of information to collecting, also collecting the some knowledges, and it is also a resource of the education. There are lots of expressing forms of the internet, or communicate with the people such as the blogging, vlogging and social media, which are allowing the people to share their thoughts and lots of creativity. Also we can do the online shopping, such as the e-commerce, it also called as e-commerce. The internet can transfer the way we shop to making the possible purchases, and making some good purchases. Also it helps to service the online, It make the easier to the working from the home. Nowadays it at the time of the corona, that's are the lots of peoples are working from the home, work from the doing the work from the home, which is the internet can get easier to us. It is a very easier, we get the easier also. At that time also we educate on the internet, by using the internet, by online. For these having a watching watch on that side, the don't have happen the some crimes. There are the cyber security also concerns are available for that. That also about that also they are take the caring about the privacy and cyber security of the our some informations, and also safety of online. But there are the nowadays lots of people are addictive because of the internet, to the phones, because of the internet to addictive with the phones, laptop laptops, iPads also. But because of these negative effects are these are having a negative effects on our mental and physical health. Also they are having a lots of new technology are working right now by because of that internet, such as the artificial intelligence. These are starting nowadays because of the some artificial intelligence are starting because of the internet. There's some some new inventions also, technology because of this internet things. Overall, the internet has a transfer the many aspect of our life, which is the important to us also. Or if some is going to bad way, for that person also it is also bad things, and they are going to for good ways, and this is also for the good things also, good peoples also. Thank you so much.